Hello, my name is Alejandra González Perez. I am single. I am from and living in Marquetalia Caldas. I am 18 years old. I am study of agronomy engineering at UNAR. In my free time, I like to work, listen to music, watch movies all the same time I am with my family. I sometimes like to paint pictures. Marquetalia Caldas, also called the Village of the Sun, is a tourist place. There are two big parks. In one is located the food stalls. For this reason, usually the people go to place. Also, sometimes the mayor office holds events for all community. Near there is a coliseum. In this place are made sport events and commemorate events too. The fruit salad and homemade ice cream are very delicious at the same time famous. This year there will be different celebration. On July there are colonies. On August there is musical band festival. Then equine shows. And finally on October are the festival of the mountain range. Festival that take place every 4 years. In Marquetalia Caldas we can to many activities. Hold to go to the pool, go walk to beautiful place, watch grand landscapes. In my city you will always enjoy. Thanks for your attention.